Hey, Dan from Roots and Rocks here. We're in Harvard, Massachusetts. Beautiful town, lots of natural beauty already, and we're gonna add to that today. What we're doing here is they had a bunch of large trees taken down. You can see the bare spots in the ground last fall, and they lost a lot of the visual block that they had from down the driveway into the neighbor's yard. So we're gonna add a birch grove into this section, and we're gonna try to effectively hide some of these utilities that are obviously now really prominent in the front yard. We're gonna put our little twist on it. We're gonna use some rocks on the property. There's some beautiful pieces of granite on this property, and we're gonna link them together to look a little more like what the background looks like with some of the natural ledge that comes down already across the driveway. So we're just gonna emulate that on this side, and we're gonna do a little birch grove in here. We're gonna add some native shrubs, again, just to kind of blend in with what goes on in the beautiful town of Harvard here. So hopefully we'll add another beautiful spot right here in a few days. All right, a few days later, back in Harvard, show off what we did here. As I mentioned before, nice little birch grove. 5 12-foot birches came in. We dressed it up with our linked together rocks. Rocks are working for us on this one. Found some beauties. They all fit together real nice. Create a nice retainer, change the elevation a little bit in the ground plane. Helps to create a lot more interest than just that flat lawn that we had before. Added some nice roseanne geranium, some brilliance fern, hiding the utility boxes with some inkberry hollies, and did some clethoras. So a lot of natives in here, look really nice. As these trees get a little bit bigger next year, help to shade out some of these nice mossy patinaed boulders and keep that character to the stones. Quite a difference a couple days makes. Check us out, rootsrocksinc.com.